Yeah, he said we're gonna keep on going and guy will catch up. I think when we get, yeah.
So what access point is this?
East Oak Grove Road. East. The other ones, you know how there's two of there's the other one over there. That's West Oak Grove. This is East.
Where the road used to go originally, and the plate departs over from it.
I guess that's probably what actually happened back in the day.
Alright, so I've moved up in the pecking order quite a few.
Yeah. Reset the chain of command, huh?
I'm the smoker.
I mean, the fours, the four smokes. Got those bad, breathing in them bad emissions.
Yeah, you may have to edit out some of that talking.
Yeah.
I don't know how people feel about that.
Yeah,
We never rode with a big group before like that, so.
You just need to watch what you say.
Yeah.
You gotta be mindful on the camera. We save everything until afterwards. Oh, that's cool. This is like an old bridge, like made out of some type of tin.
Really? So we're on the other side of Arkabutla now.
Yeah, we've been on the others. Yeah. We're actually almost to you're going to Eudora from Hernando.
Yeah.
We're almost to that road. Like after we get to the lake bottoms, we're gonna go under that bridge that you go over.
I see the bridge sandwich stuff, huh?
Yeah, like you're coming to Eudora from Hernando. There's that big bridge. That's where you're gonna be going over.
Big bridge.
Like those walking trails we've been on one time over there, called the Ark. Right before that.
Oh yeah, the emergency spillway.
No. This is like you're leaving outside of Hernando on that same road, west, like Commerce Street, like the big main road, outside Hernando. Like you're going towards Eudora. The road you're going from Eudora to. Make sure everybody going.
Yeah, keep going straight.
All right.
Okay, you're gonna come up to a slough. We'll just not wait on that.
All right, that's fine. We'll find some shade. We'll keep on going straight.
Should I say we just stopped?
Well, yeah. I guess it's what he was talking about, a slough. It looks like a go-around or something. So what are you talking about, I'm assuming?
That's going to be our best way to, well, it was. I don't know if it's different now.
Well, I'll go first just to, where I don't get a dugout hole.
Alright.
Yeah. So wait on them.
What's he saying about this?
We can go to the other side if we want to.
Yeah, we can.
We can do that in case somebody gets stuck when you're working on that.
Yeah. Alright, yeah, he said that we were supposed to meet the dudes when he got his buddy coming back. They were supposed to be pulling up right when we passed them. He said this is the best bet. Alright, it's not bad. As long as you don't go get behind someone who's going to dig something out.
I'm behind Ron.
He shouldn't dig it out as much.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta get on the other.
But it's got roots all in it, so you'll get traction.
I'm just trying to get to the other side. I'll get some more where I could catch everything.
I ain't never come across there that easy before.
I don't know. I didn't have any trouble.
Yeah. Usually
I got caught in a groove, couldn't get out.
Yeah, we gotta wait on those other guys. We might need to find some shade.
We'll go find shade. He can wait for them.
Yeah, it's fine. Find wherever's the best shade you can find.
No,
You go find something. I'll wait here with them until we.
I don't know where we're going, so I'll just wait. Oh boy, I'm glad I went for him.
Who?
That dude sticking it.
The C-Force is suck, it looks like.
Yeah, I think he's got stock tires.
If my father-in-law can get around him, he has a tiger tail. They can just hook up, and you probably pull both of them out.
Oh, yeah. And now that
He might be working. Yeah, look.
Wallered out, it's hard for anybody that ain't got really good tires.
Yeah.
Yeah, Joe's got that tire on it.
Yeah.
In fact, I think he's going to hook it to him now.
Oh, yeah, he does, yeah. He has one, too, I guess. Those things are cool. My father-in-law...
I had one on my Can-Am and left it on there when I sold it like a dummy.
Yeah, I bought one from him when he had his Polaris 850. Took it off. I bought it for like 120.
Right.
And then I put it on. I had it on here for a while, and it just kept on getting hung up. But he has one on there. I mean, he will like say them too. He'll pull both of them out right as they stand at the same time.
Yeah.
He has so much power to us. One of them's pulling them out.
All right, everybody, just get to the shady spot.
Yeah.
Before everybody starts taking a break.
Yeah. We can take a break up in the shade or something.
Yeah. If they stay, let's just find some shade.
Yeah. We're going to find some shade up here for somewhere while we wait on them.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah, because it's kind of hot out here.
Big time.
I mean, over here might be our best. Kind of get under the trees or something. Here's a little flat spot right here.
Well, that's not no shade for everybody.
We got to find something.
Well, what about the next set of trees?
I mean, that's not till all the way over there.
What, right from that straightaway?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll get up there. There ain't no access right there. I mean, we just gotta find something. Yeah, it might not be much. Yeah.
Go up here a little ways, it's like
All right. Everyone's still following along.
Ron, paying attention.
Ron is not back there. Oh, there's Ron. He said something about trees a little bit of a way.
Yeah. I mean, it'd just be brutal to sit out in the middle of them.
That looks like our best bet right there.
Yeah, I'd rather just sit out. I'd rather ride than take a break in the sun.
Yeah. Snow. Yeah. I mean, this might be our best bet in this area. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to find something. Here's something right here. A pretty decent sized tree. Yeah. I'm parking it right here.
Get a snake bit up in there.
Maybe I scared him off. He gets.
Hey, 360. It's gonna look good.
Visuals into your life. Alpha is like a cycle, helping you wait to ready to rely on right when you need us. Because taking action is better than getting excuses. And getting handled is better than hoping for the way. You'll get the team to help us find it. So we can get back to what's not your problem.
You might want to get your tires.
That's right, with Alpha Insurance.
Why'd you go in here? Shut off. What you thinking, Barrett? Usually we ride it. It was. It's sitting down. You seen it go down? Yeah, I saw it sit down. I don't care if fucking sink it. Alright. Yeah, it's in neutral. Hey, it flips. This where y'all come out. You're good to back up. Thanks, Roll Set. I want to start forward. Hey, that's where it was right here. God. Did it get off? Don't crank it, Logan. Don't crank it. Look, water's coming out the tailpipe. Hey, hey, you gotta keep pulling it up. I think he's got it on. We can stand it up. I'd get a little further. We rode up and down through it. Last time we were out here, it was dry. Man, dude, it's full of water. Give them that. Yeah.
What's going on, guys? We're out here, Arkabutla Lake. We stopped for a minute. A guy over here on the Can-Am's been riding around with us today. He went off in that deep end or got it all sunk up, and he got water in his oil, so he officially sunk it. So he's over there patching everything up, and probably looks like he's about to head back to the truck for the day, and see if he can get everything straight at the house, I'm assuming. So hopefully it turns out good, and his spoiler gets running back right after he gets all the water out of his oil. So let's get it. Let's ride.
So what are we going to do, Michael?
Wait at the bridge, I guess. till Ron's up here somewhere, I think.
He's over to the left.
He's waiting on somebody. Oh, dang, it's...
He was over to the left, riding around. I wouldn't expect that deep, but it's deep.
They said it's deep, but still, just stay kind of close where you get some good footage. Woo! Woo, guy! Woo!
See what I mean?
They got up to about right here. That's Panther Creek. Hope no one gets steak bit.
I know that's right. Now I'm meeting over here.
He's coming right here.
Look at that hill.
I mean, is he up there right now?
Yeah, I think so.
Spin, can't get in the creek.
This fool ain't never seen one like this.
Yeah. That's the last guy.
Climb that?
I can climb it.
Yeah.
We go up there and get him.
Want to.
Yeah. I'll go up there real quick.
Not real loose.
You riding here, Kevin?
Man, what's up, Mike?
You gonna ride with us?
Yeah, that's why you just climbed that hill.
Heck yeah. You can't climb that thing?
I don't know. That's what.
If you want to park here,
That's why I was parked.
come
I
down.
just talked to Ron.
If you want to park, you can come down here.
All right, you ride with Ron.
Yeah, I got my own YouTube channel.
Oh, okay, dig that. I ain't know that. This my wife, Justin.
Hey, nice to meet you. I work with them.
Yeah. Yeah, cool. Yeah, man. I ain't know that. Well, I guess I'm gonna go jump that hill. I was worried about coming back up.
Alright. It's not as bad as you think. Take it slow and low.
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Yeah, everybody's weighing down there.
Okay. Alright, cool. I'm gonna go down there. Get out.
It's no problem coming up there.
Alright, cool. What's the car?
Alright. I work with him. Yeah, I work with him.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, he drives the trucks there too. He probably knows Spencer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, well, I just came down the hill waiting for the guy we met for on. It was a dude. We are heading that way. Right behind you, really. We're right there.
I think we're everybody's fired up, waiting on you to show your face. Alright, there you are. So where am I supposed to go, you know?
Just, I guess, get straight enough. This kind of stays with everything, I think.
We got a crossing here.
I guess. Yeah, the guy that we picked up, I know him too. It's a guy I work with. It's Kevin. This is his first time running his new four. He has a Polaris 1000S. Like a brand new, I mean, not even a speck of dust on it.
Like brand new?
Yeah, he said he just bought it. He's the only time he's ridden right now since he got it. It's up and down the street. This is his first time down on anything. It's like really pretty looking. Yeah.
Let's get it on the see the photo at the Oxford shirt on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Place around the sports plate is on sporting goods place on six coming into Oxford.
Oh yeah, he does the shoot. It's the gun placement mainly.
Yeah. And he's I said, you ain't ready for it? Oh yeah, I did tell me they come over to the thing without putting
Yeah. We need some good old Fergadans.
Yeah, we do.
You gotta make a trip out of Trace or something one. We haven't been down to Trace in a hot minute.
Alright, I'm trying. Some of the stuff looks a little sketchy. Oh, yeah, no problem. Oh, gosh.
Is it a problem now?
No, I fell off of some rut. You want to get up here?
I can. I have to wait until everybody gets around. It's kind of tight. There's somebody behind us. Oh yeah, they're not moving behind us. Nobody. Straight at. Oh no, he's digging it out.
Riding it 2-wheel drive.
Yeah. Alright, so. Whew. Wayne, I don't know where they went. Ron and them's back there somewhere. I think guy on the 350 Rancher, his there they are. He was no, there's the other new guy, Kevin.
Okay.
It's not pretty anymore, but.
Where's Ron?
I don't know.
I think we're tired of waiting in the sun.
I think there's only one way out of here, I think.
Yeah.
It's a big crossing, I think. Yeah. I think it was the guy on 350 Rancher. He kind of stopped when I went by him and just like it was acting like something was wrong with the score, I think.
So that's
Yeah, he was at the back, because Kevin, the guy on the plate, the guy came on the players. He was right behind me, and then. Ooh, it's kind of deep.
Ain't nobody been over here in a while.
It's kind of. I think it's a solid bottom. It's just unless there's a way around.
People going that way.
Which way? That way?
Just try and tell us. I'll be listening. I'm gonna send him in. It's okay. It's what's it got. Man.
No, it's.
Fine. He's in there. Ron's coming in here.
Alright. Just don't stop it. If you go through there, because I was poking around and I stopped it. Yeah, I messed up and slowed down because I thought I was solid and I sunk. I got off and just gave it a little push.
Who won't make it back through that on the way out?
I think this is I think we're going out somewhere else.
I'm glad I locked that down.
Well, it's like I stopped and then I had to it sunk down and wouldn't go nowhere, and I had to get off and push it.
If they go through it, I won't make it back. If we have to go back through it.
Almost stuck.
I hope we don't have to go back through there to go back, do we?
Do we?
Because with these stock tires, if they go through there, you can forget about it more likely.
You might can get as close as you can. You probably just creep out of this.
Yeah, but after they all go through the big old tires, you can forget it for me.
I should have known better.
Yeah, I creeped through it. I almost got stuck too.
I went through it two-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, that did it right there.
Really?
Let me get out of the way. Yeah, he's pulling him out with the tiger tail. He was in two-wheel. He was in two-wheel drive.
Yeah, I put mine in four-wheel drive before I even started.
Yeah, me too. 4 low.
Yep. Anytime I come up on something like this, it's like automatic.
Well, see, like now with stock tires, I'm definitely like no stopping. Like if I had my regular tires, I would have just ate.
Yeah. That creek looks high, man. And it was high when we crossed it the last time.
We'll have to.
We'll see.
I don't know who's next. Side by side's gonna have to find another way.
What if that's another way?
Right here. Yeah, right here.
I wonder if that's another way.
They're coming through there?
No, I said that's another spot if he needs to.
Because like I told Ron, I said, we had to come back through here. Ain't no way I'm going to make it back with the
He said depends
stock tires.
Depends how that creek looks. Yeah, you might as well.
I don't know where they're. It's weird.
What?
That thing gets water and does that.
I mean,
You would think it'd be a stopped up carburetor.
it has to be. He said he put a new one on it 2 months ago. But
Yeah, but it only does it when it hits water.
Yeah.
And then
like yeah, the jet's stopped up, right? If you hit water.
yeah, but if it runs fine at other times, the jet's open.
I don't know.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's something else going on with it. Something to do with the water. I mean, it could be the plugs fell off from running all the wool. You know what I'm saying?
It's not in the best condition either.
Yeah. It's Ron's got it right. It's the yard four-wheeler.
Yeah. Ooh, Eddie was not paying attention to that.
My little crew.
We'll take a decent pace, and we'll have to definitely hit up. I know Rayburn wants to try Trey Spark. We'll definitely have to hit that up sometime.
He probably ain't gonna like Trey Spark.
Yeah, probably with some tires now.
It's gonna be too tight, too rough.
Yeah, too tight and too rough. But
And especially to do it in the summertime.
yeah, we'll have to. For him, it'll be like later in the year.
Yeah.
Because I mean, like in the summertime, it's shaded in there, so that's one of the pluses. Yeah, do you remember him, this creek he's talking about? You remember seeing any of the videos he watched?
I hadn't watched all of his videos.
Yeah, I'll watch, like, the ones with the Andalot, Anaconda, whatever loop. It has that creek crossing in it.
Yeah.
And it's a pretty decent creek crossing, like mud, I think, wise.
Yeah.
We about caught some mud. He was riding a little close, and I didn't.
I sure wish I had my tires in the aspect of what we got to do today.
Oh, your tires would have done good.
Yep. We might be at the end of the line here.
I don't know. Let's
Right
see.
here and see what it is. 2 liters.
Without going all the way around the whole place of construction.
I mean,
Right?
we need someone with tires kind of tested in there, because if I go in there, I'm going.
Yeah.
Where's the rest of the crew?
I crossed it 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. I mean, did someone have waders? No. Well,
No, all that group was the one that got in the drowning session.
I was like, does someone have waders? He said, no, that was all the group with the guy who drowned his four-wheeler.
Yeah, it's either we cross here or we're trying to go all the way back around.
Our best bet's to cross is like we could stick someone. You said it's just deep, or is it just sloppy mud?
Well, it's just more like it's a little bit sloppy mud. I think it's deeper in that elbow we went around underneath the creek. That part's deeper than it, I think.
I would say one of these bigger four-wheelers.
That's what we need. The guy with the big Can-Am, the tan one.
Yeah, with my father-in-law, but he's a little sketchy about water like you.
Oh, really?
But I'll see if we can let him at least stick his nose in it.
Yeah.
I'll see if just ease into it if it just seems too bad.
The only thing is, wherever we cross that, the next person cross somewhere different.
Yeah, I get it, because if not, you're going to get into that slop.
They never come this way?
No, it's two of your guys. One of them, I passed one of them, and he was trying to guide the other one around all that mud. The one with the more stock tires.
They're coming. I can hear them.
You just.
That tells you something right there, doesn't it? I'm just getting me shade spots. I think that tells us.
I'm just high centered. Yeah. Be Rayburn. Alright, oh, out just a little. Alright, there you go.
Hey, Micah.
What?
I don't think he wants to do it, but I told him.
Alright.
He said your four-wheeler costs less than his.
See me get.
It's probably turn around and go back time, you think?
Yeah, maybe.
Because we ain't getting no riding done this way.
Yeah. Might just go turn around right now.
What's that?
He doesn't want to test it out, I think. Here he comes.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Like we crossed it 2 weeks ago. Yeah, but we done had a lot of rain since then. Yeah.
It don't matter. We can turn around and just hightail it back that way.
Now when we go
A
back
whole
out,
full day of riding if we go back the way we came.
But like I said, it ends up on private land.
Yeah.
So
You don't want to take that.
it's either
I sure hope the air conditioner works in your truck real good.
So we go all the way back around. I don't want to sink mine like the other dude did.
Yeah. Yeah, well, me.
But ain't like we can't. Hey, Micah, tell me, ain't like we can't winch him out.
My dad says it's not like you can winch you out.
Yeah, but we winched that other dude out too. It's not going to be so deep that it's going to sink your four-wheeler.
He says it's just more. He says it's not deep enough to sink your four-wheeler. It's just more of like it was sloppy, or he doesn't.
Yeah, but I doubt these stock tire people's gonna make it through there. Especially after Labor goes. We might as well just turn around like.
Hang on, let's see where we're. There goes Rayburn.
You got him to try it?
He's trying it. I mean, he can stick his nose in.
Now ain't nobody gonna get through it.
I mean, we can yank Rayburn can.
You might as well jam it in reverse and back all the way over here.
See what he.
Yeah, they ain't no use chance of doing that, Micah.
Yes.
We might as well
You gotta
just
wait
turn
to see
around.
what he's going, if he can get back.
I mean, get back.
I mean, if he can get back across or get out of that first without.
How deep is it, right?
Well, if we wind up going back,
Yeah.
and the hole that everybody got stuck in,
You go to the left.
the hard part is the first part you hit. So hit that with some momentum, and maybe you'll make it through. You got more tire than I got. I had just ground clearance where you got tires.
Oh, gross. Goes Ron.
Hey, man, the next one's close. I didn't know that you want to cross this. I got to stop cool. All right, get your drum.
Is your camera rolling, Micah?
Yeah.
Is your camera rolling,
Oh,
Micah?
yeah. It is. Both of them.
The one on the pole?
Yeah.
The one on the back
Yeah.
of the four-wheeler?
Yeah.
Good. I'm getting me some good camera time right now.
But sitting.
I sure hope the air works good in your truck.
It does.
Oh, Rayburn ought to be ashamed.
Well, he went a different path. That's.
He went center.
If you go where he is before everybody else goes through, that's your best chance of making it. If they.
I'm going to put on it. It's time to stay over there.
Well, he says if you get over there, you can. You don't have to cross this again. I mean, if you get over this, you don't have to cross it. That's what Ron was saying.
Oh, well, if he got somebody there to winch us all across, we don't have to come back.
Yeah. That's our best bet.
Yep.
Our best bet is to go across now.
Me too. And you after me.
Best bet.
Do you really think so? Like, it's my best time to do it right now?
Before everyone else.
Oh, these little fucking...
Me too. I got stocks too. Try it, Micah.
Hey, so we cross this, not coming back across.
Yeah, that's what Ron was saying.
That's what he said.
All right. Hey, you may want to just watch it, put in four-wheel drive.
Oh, that grip ain't gonna hurt.
Stock tires, baby. Woo!
Good job. Oh, more up.
Def lock. You need to start moving the tires.
About to have a tow.
We'll come. Let me back up and we'll use yours and I'll just see if I can pull you.
Water felt good for me.
Scary, isn't it?
No, it's fun. Yeah. Are you stuck?
Yeah, I got him. I yanked him up.
I'll put my wheels on that grass spot right there. Or right here. go ahead and winch it up. Wait. You're going the other way.
Alright.
I ran into your four-wheeler.
Who did? You broke anything?
I don't know.
This right here is called HCV.
I'm surprised I made it on stocks.
Did good.
It got hung up about where they did, but I pushed it just enough, but I probably dug it out for them.
Yeah.
Had to.
Now to think about it, I should have picked a different line.
Like right here,
Yeah.
right up the middle and to the outside.
See, it's fine in the middle. It's about right when you get to the end. Hey, Rayburn! Or whoever's one. Hi. Hey, Dad, or somebody. He needs. Come. Yeah, I'll get. Yeah, but I don't know what my father-in-law was doing.
Yeah, let me get lined up.
Let it out some.
I was going to, but I don't know.
Come back out a little bit. All right. Use the winch. Use the winch. Use the winch. Pull it in. Then let it spin. All right. Now pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Keep on doing it. All right, Braylon. Line it up for him. Here, I'll maybe get it loose. All right, it's loose. Yeah, don't let it get twisted.
I don't know if that's going to be enough, Martin.
Yeah, I don't know. All right.
See, that flash's going to take somebody else because that's two people. I don't know if
It's going to take Rayburn. Rayburn just has to hook up his target. Yeah.
He's done with it, man.
I get that. Because I would have been, if I was in it.
Hey, you still having fun?
Yeah. Never in a million years.
If we were by ourselves, we would have never done it.
No, we would have never went through that. You got it?
Hey, Kevin!
I wondered if you hooked one winch, his winch, and both of them winch.
Steve, how this dad does this.
Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Hey. I'm talking about.
We'll get his tiger tail.
It just wasn't deep right there. That's a freaking hole right there, son.
Yeah, I know.
I stepped up and I was like, holy crap.
I'm just surprised I made it through right there. What? If I had my other tires, I had no problem. Only 3 successful attempts.